So now the next problem is job sequencing with deadlines. Here I want to check for the total profit with one job per deadline, and sort the jobs by decreasing profit, and we schedule each job in the latest free slot before its deadline. So the first of all is, consider if I have deadline as 1 and I have 3 jobs. The one that gives me profit as 10, 15, 20, and all have the same deadline 1. Then I'm going to take that particular job which is giving me the maximum profit. So first of all I have to arrange the items in the descending order. Then I should check which are the jobs which are giving me, which have the latest slot by 1, and among that I should take the jobs which is giving me that profit. So first of all I sort all the jobs by descending order of profit. I initialize a result array and slots, and then for every job I'll try to assign the job in the latest free slot less than equal to the deadline. So all these are arranged in the profit order. So consider if I have A, B, C, D, E and their deadlines are 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 100, 19, 27, 25, 50. So now deadline 1. Deadline 1 if I have to consider. So first of all the first step is I'll arrange them in their descending order. So it will be A, C, D, B, E. Now I'll arrange 3 slots, none, 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 and so the third step is assign jobs to latest free slot less than equal to deadline. Now here deadline 2, I should check for each and every job. Deadline 2 is free, yes. So I'll assign A to deadline 2. Next, now this deadline 2 is fixed. See, deadline 2, slot 2 is taken but slot 1 is free. So I'll assign this C to slot 1. I will see, I'm taking A and C here, though B and D have the latest, have the earlier deadline, because these are going to give me maximum profit 127. Now deadline, I move ahead. For D deadline is 1, slot 1 is taken, so leave it. For B deadline is 1, slot 1 is taken, so take it. For E deadline 3, slot 3 is free, and so I'll assign E to slot 3. So C, A, E, and that will give me the profit of 27 plus 100 plus 15, which will be 142. Let us see the program for the same. So initially this is the job, deadline and the profit. Now for this, first of all I am arranging them in descending order of profit. So here I am getting 100. Now A gets assigned to deadline 2. 27 I will check for the previous slot, so C gets assigned. Then for D deadline is 1, it's taken. For B deadline is 1, it is taken. Then I'll go ahead and put E to slot 3. Let us try to make some change. Let me make this as 29. So now it is going to be B, A, and then finally E. What if I change E also to 1? So only B and A will get assigned. Let us see the program. So once I arrange, I will get result equal to none, slot equal to false. And then here after this, here this particular step is checking job by job, and here it is checking for j in range of minimum of n minus 1. N is nothing but 4, and job of 1. So 4 minus 2, that is 4 comma 2 minus 1 till 1. It will 4 comma 2, minimum of 4 comma 2. So here it will be 2. From 2 it will check till the 0th slot. If not slot of j, that means if the slot is not already taken, I will assign slot to be true, that it is taken now, and result of j equal to job of 0. And finally I am returning only the job only the jobs where in the result if they are not taken. For the job in result, if it is not none, it has to be shown. See, this is how the result array will look like, and from that result array everything else is none. So here I am just filtering out to show only these are being taken.